We're Stef and Bo. After 1 year of traveling through Australia, we didn't feel like an ordinary life in our home country was gonna make us happy. So instead of settling down, we bought a van to travel the world together with our cat Gizmo.
Hopefully this all goes smoothly.
Today, we're taking Gizmo on his first official van life trip.
Gizmo actually shit in the backpack.
And we're getting started on our van build with the floor installation.
It's pretty exhausting building a van.
Which doesn't go as smoothly as expected.
This floor is so stuck.
Follow along on this crazy ride and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and means the world to us.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
What's up?
How you doing?
Summer's finally arrived, which was amazing. I even had a little sunburn. This video is all about you today. He's a bit camera shy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you can go. Today is actually the first time he's gonna meet our van. Hopefully he'll like it.
Are you excited? Yeah. We're heading to Luigi.
Yes.
And we're gonna take this fella with us.
Normally he loves this.
Yeah, it's just been a while.
It's been a while, yeah.
So we just wait, I'm just gonna.
He's gotten a bit too comfortable here.
Yeah, just wanna.
It's okay, buddy.
You're doing alright.
Gonna go to your new home?
So we're, for the first time with Gizmo in the van, I'm just giving him the time before we actually leave. The temperature is actually really good in here also, because you know, in a van and in a car it can get really hot, and because we want him to be comfortable and know that this is a safe place. He has his harness on, but you can't really see it because he's just covered with so much hair, but he has it on. Right? There you go.
Buff. So you gonna chill with mommy? Normally he's asleep at this time of day. I think that's a sign that it's okay.
Yeah. We just been here for like 10 minutes already, and I'd rather be sitting here for like an hour knowing that Gizmo is alright. He has no stress. First time is very important for us, so he can realize that this is a safe space.
If he was gonna have a bad time right now, I don't think we would be comfortable taking him with us in the van, and then that would break our hearts to have to leave him behind with family. Hopefully this all goes smoothly.
And he's sleeping. Check it out. He's so good. We also extended his backpack, so just in case if he just wants to lay down stretched, so then he can do that.
Oh, he did such a good job.
Yeah, he did. He's actually been really amazing. Got it. Oh,
let's grab the rest of
our keys are
yeah.
there.
We always forget that we need to open this separately.
Yeah, it's a safety mechanism. So you see, we have a huge storage. We only actually have a trunk in here, so we need to have some ropes and cables to actually a bit more safe. Get everything?
I'll take all our jackets and the emergency towel just in case he needs to pee or to poo again.
We never actually shared this, but in one of our previous videos we were actually with him here in the park.
Yeah, in this park, yeah.
And yeah, Gizmo actually shit in the backpack. He was actually a bit meowing, I don't know how you call it, but and then I was like, oh, what's the matter? And he was actually at that moment like really pooping, and we were like, no! And I just took it out of my hands, and then was like, yeah, my hands were covered in shit.
Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
There's nobody here, and this makes it actually perfect for us to come here to enjoy the quiet moment with Gizmo, so he can also enjoy it here. And we can do a picnic, and we have a beautiful sun. We're gonna find a beautiful spot now.
Yeah. Maybe a little that way.
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah. What's that with your voice?
I don't
Oh my god.
I didn't know I sounded like a smoker.
Yeah, it was like really terrible. What the heck was that?
This looks good.
Running around in a gown and a crown.
I'm gonna open his tunnel. Okay, buddy. He's like, oh, I'm okay in here. So, what do we got, darling?
What do we got? We got leftovers basically. We got some hummus. We got like a leftover salad that we actually took on our trip this weekend to the Ardennes. So this video should probably be up by now.
Yeah.
So really go watch it. We'll put the link in here. We had a great time. It was the first time we took the van on a day trip. We also got some things to eat the hummus with, some carrot sticks and veggies, some little tomatoes, and then basically just forks.
All right.
Dressed in a gown, barefoot.
So
This lovely salad here that we were talking about, it's gone bad.
yeah, it just tastes horrible. It's like really, really horrible.
It's been warm lately, so maybe that's why our fridge is maybe not cold enough. I don't know. We might have to put a pizza in the oven.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world.
Alright, he's a bit tired actually. So he's actually sitting on the bench with Bo now because we took some photos already.
He's exhausted.
This was very successful actually.
For him, this is a big deal to be around so many different people, different things, different animals. It's a lot to take in. In case you didn't know, our cat is coming with us in our van full time.
Yeah, that's the main goal actually also, to take Gizmo with us. So we want him to actually get used to the van. And I think for the first time we actually managed to do it really well. Yeah.
And we wanted to share that with you because we know there's a lot of people out there who are thinking about doing van life or traveling, and they're like, what do we do with our cats, you know, because it's part of your family, and we want to prove that it's possible to take your cat with you on your adventures. But if your cat can handle it, oh my god, I should totally do it.
Good morning, you guys. I hope you had a great day. And Bo already left to her job today, but she's coming back in the afternoon. And in the meantime, I'm actually going to load the van with our stuff for the flooring that we stored in our basement. If you haven't already know, we've cleaned our basement a couple of days ago, so we have some space for the stuff that we bought for our van conversion actually. The reason that we actually have to do that is because we need to have some specific tools, and Bo's parents have those tools. So we're going to do the flooring in Bo's parents' house. Well, not in her house, I mean in the area, of course. But you get the point. And of course, this little buddy is gonna come with us. Gizmo?
Hi guys, how's it going? Happy to see you back. Today is a really exciting day, not because we bought a van, because of course we already have our van. In case you missed it, check out the video. We'll put the link here so you can see what van we bought and how exciting it was for us. But we're going to my parents' house. They're gone for the weekend and we're gonna stay there a couple of days just to work on our van and take Gizmo with us. So that is gonna be really fun and really nice to be able to go out of the apartment for a while and just see another surrounding for a change. So Stefan is packing up everything in the van downstairs. I'm just gonna pack up Gizmo. He's walking somewhere around here, and then we're gonna go and head out.
Hey. All right. So now we'll put first Gizmo.
There we go.
All right. Sorted out.
So here we are in the countryside. We're gonna make ourselves a little snack and have a glass of wine to just celebrate that one little holiday, and that tomorrow we're gonna start our van build. So that's gonna be super exciting. We can't wait to share the whole adventure with you and show you how we're gonna do a flooring. So we're gonna start with the subfloor, take out the floor that's inside now, and then put in some insulation and like a wooden structure and put the floor that we took out back on top. But we'll show you all about it tomorrow. Hopefully the weather is going to be okay, because it's starting to look a bit dodgy out there right now. It's expected to storm, so hopefully it will be better by tomorrow. And then we'll show you how it goes, and hopefully it won't be with too many struggles and failures. Good morning everyone. We just had some breakfast here, which was really nice after a pretty exhausting night, because Gizmo was like scratching the whole night. He was like scratching in his litter box the whole time, like for hours on end. The weather is perfect because it's really grey and not that warm anymore. And I think that we can get started. So what you doing now?
So now we're sanding, and then we're gonna use a primer to actually protect the wood against moist. If we've done that actually, then we have to check out our van and see to get that floor out. We're trying to open the lid of this pot. but I think it's been a while that it's been opened, and normally you can open this in a few seconds. Sometimes you need to take the big guns and grab it by the horns. No, just kidding. Just gonna try to get this one.
Careful.
Jesus Christ. Sorry. Oh, finally.
You can't keep me in your cage, made of tired ideas. It's rusting out faster by the day. I won't wear your leash, I won't take no deals. I won't stay quiet when there's so much left to say.
So while Stefan's still figuring out how to get the floor out of the van, I'm gonna make ourselves some lunch because we deserved it. So in case you didn't know it, we're vegan. I mean, I am. Stefan's like 85% depending on the day. Oh, we should be working a little more this afternoon maybe, but I'm actually so tired. I'm not used to doing that kind of physical work. Because it's pretty exhausting building a van, you know. And all I did was sanding the wood and priming it. This is gonna be one hell of a ride, guys.
This floor is so stuck. Everything's so glued on. Too good.
So we just had some lunch, and so now back to the hardest task of the day, getting that floor out. But I see there's a part of the floor already out. Whew. Good job.
We finally got that baby out.
Alright, so I think our primer is dry. We just put it on there on the metal almost 2 hours ago on the spots that were really bad, that we hit yesterday while taking out the floor. And it looks really dry right now. So I think when our milkshake is finished that I just made, we're gonna start making the fray and put the insulation in the van.
You can't keep me in your cage, made of tired ideas. It's rusting out faster by the day. I won't wear your leash, I won't take no deals. I won't stay quiet when there's so much left to say.
Anyways, guys,
We're done!
we're done. Almost though, but actually we're done. Yeah.
The floor is kinda done, that's what matters most.
Exactly. Anyway, guys, we hope you all like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a likes and consider subscribing to our channel if you want to see more content, and we'll see you the next time.
Yeah, see you next time. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too if you want to get updates of when we post our new videos.
See you guys.
See ya!